Well said, but Alok, एक बात बताइए, you are somebody who's into investing, but is there that risk appetite which is there? Because we were having this conversation and people seem to have a risk appetite for stocks, for Bitcoin, but this long-term, risk appetite to be in the long game, that seems to be absent. And the moment there is a international brand or an international investor coming in, that's when the valuation kicks up. Otherwise, investors are also not very sure about backing companies.
Valuation is one thing. I think what is lacking, क्या lack कर रहा है हमारे hardware industry में, and that is enough motivation is not there at the initial stage to create the prototype, because hardware में you need some investment in the initial day.
Correct.
And to start a service company, to start a small app, to start a consumer app, it's relatively easier than to create a prototype, and that's where I think the government policies will work, and it's already working now in terms of sponsoring 3,000 plus students. I was reading somewhere from IITs. But if you talk about our fund also and a couple of other funds, we are now committing a part of our total portfolio just to help startups build that prototype initially. Prototype, and from prototype से लेके monetization तक जाना, वो phase सबसे critical, and that's where India is lacking, and India is lacking if you compare with China or US from that perspective. So first is mindset, government policies, and when you see that कुछ होने लगा है, then investors would start coming in. So private investors will never come in the first place. The private investors will come when you see that government is serious about. You talked about bankruptcy code. You talked about the IP rights, which is so critical. The IP rights.
Yes.
में बहुत कुछ काम हुआ है. You talked about the infrastructure, the import duty. If you talk about and I think now the environment is being created.
Right.
See, if I can speak one more thing. See, the IT service environment took 30 years. If you talk about TCS came in 1968, and then this whole thing happened. The startup ecosystem and Naukri.com IPO and Make My Trip.
Right.
Similarly, the government, and there was a tax holiday for IT exporters, if you remember, 10 and 10B during those days.
Right.
Similar kind of thing is now happening, and you will see in the next 1 decade the kind of impact it will have on manufacturing and semiconductors.
Well, let's not take 20 years. Let's try and achieve what this in less than a decade. That's what I would like to say. I've run out of time. I've run out of time. Vaibhav, Alok, and Sanjay ji, thank you very much. I'm sorry we would like to take this conversation forward, but we will. But this is just to give you the perspective. Ki mauka hai, mahal hai. Now the point is to use our mastish, our brains, to try and build for India. Thank you very, very much for joining us here on The Right Perspective.